Hi all, the purpose of this video is to show you a step-by-step process for registering online for your Voyager Alliance credit union account. So the first step that needs to happen is you need to access the Voyager Alliance website, as you can see on screen, at www.voyageralliance.com. The first stage of the process will be that you should have received a letter which will have your sort code and account number on, your new sort code and account number. So just to be specific, this isn't relating. If you were registered previously online with Voyager, that is no longer active. You now need to re-register online using the new sort code and account number that has been distributed and been given to you in the letter. So the first stage is to click on the button at the top which states register for online. The screen will then change and we scroll down till we see step number 4. And again the button register for online. Click this button, the system will now ask us for a series of information, starting with our credit union sort code, our credit union account number, first name, surname, date of birth and postcode. I'm just going to key in the details that I have here and I'll move on to the next step once I've done this. Okay, so just a couple of points before I click the next button. You'll see the date of birth needs to be in the format of day/month/year. And the postcode needs to be your postcode with a space in the correct place. Once you're confident all the details are correct, if you press the next button, the system will now ask you to input a 6-digit PIN number. Now you should have had this PIN number already. It comes via an SMS text message. So once you have this screen in front of you, if you key in the 6-digit PIN number into the system and click the submit button. Again, you'll see we now have another box that has popped up. As an additional security check, to confirm your identity, we'd like to send you a one-time access code. So this is just part of the security process, just to make sure that you are who you say you are. You need to have your phone to hand and another text message will be issued to you. And it will come through with another 6-digit one-time PIN. So I'll just wait for my PIN to come through. Okay, and it's just arrived now. Once we've entered that, we click on confirm. And we're now on to start logging in our registration details. So the system's now going to ask us for a username. So this needs to be a username that you're going to remember going forward. And it is case sensitive, so you need to remember whether you're using uppercase or lowercase. As we can see, the username needs to be at least 6 characters long, but no longer than 15 characters. It then asks you for a PIN number. So this is a PIN number now, not to get mixed up or confused with a one-time PIN that we've just been entering, but this is a PIN number that you're going to remember going forward. And it asks us to confirm it. The next part, the third part, is to enter a password. Again, this password needs to be between 8 and 32 characters long and needs to have a mix of uppercase, lowercase and numbers within it. Again, this is a password that you will need to remember going forward. If you don't remember this, the online system will not let you in for security reasons and you will become locked out. So ensure that you write it down somewhere safe or you remember what the password is. The final step is to set up some questions, just in case you ever forget any of your details. So there's a list of questions that you can be asked. For example, what is the last name of your best friend? Who would you most like to meet? What is your favourite food? Select 3 of them questions and supply the answers. Okay, once we're at this stage, if we now click on the submit. Well, if you're on your own computer or on your own tablet, if you just check that box to say that you trust this computer, you're happy with it, that you're logging on from somewhere that's safe, and then click the submit button. And again, one final check, all it's saying on here is just to make sure that you're happy with the terms and conditions of using the online site. Yes, I am. Check the box, click confirm, and we are now in to the page. So you can now see your membership details and navigate around the page to move your money.